Hey guys, welcome back to another Norworld video. Now you might have seen Isaac did a walkthrough on our first INEOS Grenadier Quartermaster tray conversion. Now that turned out pretty awesome. Now that was a cab chassis, so you can option these vehicles in either a cab chassis vehicle or with a tub on it. Now we're back in Brisbane and this is our first one with the factory tub on it. Now if you have purchased an INEOS Grenadier or have one on order, get in contact with the team today. We now have trays available for the INEOS Grenadier Quartermaster if you have a cab chassis or a tub version. Make sure you see the last video Isaac did on the INEOS Grenadier. He breaks down what's sort of included in the tray, our standard inclusions. It's definitely a video you do not want to miss. Just did a little drive around the block and just to make sure all the radars and everything works prior before us touching it. And now let me take it back to the boys and they're gonna start taking the tub off and let's fit this tray. And the tub to transformation is done. Let me show you guys what we've done to this INEOS Grenadier Quartermaster. Let's go. Now starting on the driver's side, we have a water tap. So this is plumbed to our 40-litre water tank underneath. So for our water tank, we have two filling methods. We have a standard hose fitting on the bottom here, so you can reverse fill this water tank. So all you got to do is plug a standard hose fitting, open up the full cap at the top here, and you can fill your water tap. Or you can fill up the top here by just sticking your hose right at the top. So of course our fill is mounted to our headboard. So this headboard is a 76mm tubed headboard. You've got two spare wheel bosses on the back here. You can also change them out for a jerry can if you'd like. Coming down here, we have relocated the fuel filler cap just here. So that is the same fuel filler that was on the tub variant. We've just relocated just here. Of course, as it's a deluxe tray, we have our checker plate and tie down rails, as well as our sideboard. So this is a deluxe plus tray. So that means you got a 2-pack color coding to the vehicle. You got your stainless steel protection up here, or what we call it is stainless steel capping. You got your stainless steel hinges and catches, everything you know and love from Norworld here. Now, of course, this vehicle is fitted with an AdBlue system, so we have relocated the filler cap just to the back here. Alrighty, let's spin the car around and I'm going to show you the back. Okay, so the rear of the tray. So you can see the spare wheel holders at the back there. We've used one for the spare wheel for the INEOS, and there's a spare space on the other side for a jerry can holder, or if you'd like to do another spare wheel. Now, of course, on the back we have a tailgate here with the same stainless steel capping, hinges and catches. We have our large extrusion that runs along the back here. So this houses our license plate lights. Of course, we have our exclusive tail lights as well. So they're sequential and LED. And of course, the party at the back, we have our 1200mm long trundle drawer. Now this is waterproof and dustproof. Also can hold up to 200 kilos, so you can put all your recovery gear, max tracks, whatever you'd like. Now you can see on the back here, we have our mounts for our license plate. And as we close this up, we have our reversing camera positioned just below here. Now, due to this being the tub variant of the Quartermaster, it had reverse sensors. So we have relocated into this specialty bumper at the back here. So they are all working and they're in the exact same position as they were in the tub, so no really calibration needed. Alrighty, and the passenger side. So we have, of course, another sideboard and our rear toolbox. So these are, of course, on both the driver's side and the passenger side. So we have a specialty gutter system, double rubbers, and a compression locks. So that means this toolbox is completely dust and waterproof. Now, of course, the same as the other side, we have another tie down rail. So of course, if you have any loose items or anything in the tray, you can tie down using these tie down points. Alrighty, and that's the conversion done. I hope you enjoy watching us convert the tub variant of the Quartermaster to the tray. If you'd like to learn more about the Norwild products, make sure you jump on the website norwild.com.au and get in contact with the team now. If you like watching the video, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.